In this video, we'll explain what's required to install and configure a timeware fire alarm monitor and how it can support your organization during emergency situations. The fire alarm monitor is a powerful addition to your timeware system that helps ensure you have a real-time record of who's in the building when the fire alarm sounds. To get started, there are a few key things we'll need from you. The fire alarm monitor is connected using PoE, Power over Ethernet, a method that allows both power and data to be delivered through a single network cable. This keeps the installation simple and efficient. Next, we require a pair of voltage-free, normally open connections from your fire alarm panel. These connections remain open during normal operation and close automatically when the fire alarm is triggered. One of our timeware technicians will attend site to connect the fire alarm monitor directly to these 2 points. However, due to health and safety regulations, our technicians cannot access or open your fire alarm system. To ensure a smooth installation, these connections must be left accessible prior to our arrival. After installation, we'll sit down with you to configure the email recipients and confirm how you'd like the report to appear, whether that includes zones, terminal names, clocking times, or other data. Once the system is live, timeware will monitor for the signal from your fire panel. When the alarm is activated and the connection closes, timeware will automatically trigger the fire roll call process. This includes emailing fire roll call reports to your chosen recipients and, if required, automatically printing the report to one or more printers on your network, depending on your setup. In an ideal scenario, we recommend that a representative from your fire alarm company is available on-site after installation so the connection can be tested and verified. With this in place, your business gains immediate visibility during emergency situations, helping you stay compliant and keeping your people safe. If you're interested in adding a fire alarm monitor to your timeware system, please email us at support@timeware.co.uk or call us on 0170 665 8222. We'll be happy to guide you through the setup and answer any questions.